Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is the importance of persuasion. Now, what is the meaning of persuasion at the very first place, ladies and gentlemen? The meaning of persuasion is convincing other person to follow your way. Convincing other person to follow your way, that is known as persuasion. If you want some other person to do something that you like, that is known as persuasion. Now, there is something which you want the other person to do. You want other person to help you in a certain matter. You want other person to follow a particular course of action. But why the other person should follow you? Why the other person should follow your request, should follow your instruction? The other person is going to follow your instruction, follow your advice, only if he is looking for his own personal benefit in that. If the person is not looking for his own personal benefit, if the person is not finding his own personal benefit in your proposal, he is not going to accept it. You cannot persuade that person. Now, personal satisfaction can be of different types. It can be financial satisfaction, and it can be satisfaction on the basis of psychology, emotional needs. It can be financial satisfaction. It can be a psychological satisfaction, that is the satisfaction of emotional needs and desires of that person. If you are able to convince that person emotionally, the person is going to follow your way. And also, if you are able to convince that person in monetary form, then also the person is going to follow your way. Because if you are providing monetary benefit to the person, definitely he is going to help you. Monetary benefit is going to improve his own personal life. And if you are putting a psychological impact on the mind of the other person, that is also going to impact the life of a person in a positive way spiritually. That is why the other person will definitely follow your words. So all in all, I want to say that the only criteria of persuading a person is in today's modern time. Ladies and gentlemen, I am strictly talking about today's modern times. 24/7 work atmosphere. People are extending their shifts in corporate environment. As long as the task is not accomplished, you will have to stay in the office. This is the rule nowadays of most of the corporate organizations. In such a scenario, when a person is not finding time to look after his own family, to look after his own personal needs because of official workload, how can you convince the other person? How can you persuade the other person to follow your way? 24/7, he is involved in his own specific activity inside the organization. He is not finding enough time to look after his own family. Such is the level of official burden in today's corporate environment. So in such a tough environment, how can you convince other person? How can you persuade other person to follow your way? There is only one criteria, ladies and gentlemen. The person must see his own benefit in your proposal. If the person is not looking at his own benefit in your proposal, definitely your proposal will be rejected, and this is sure. Your proposal will be rejected. Already that person is overburdened with official tasks. And you go to that person and you ask that person to do something. Please do this thing for me. Please do that thing for me. Instantly the person is going to ask that, why should I do it for you? Tell me what is my benefit in this. Because if I have to do this task which you want to give me, I will have to spare some time from my schedule. And my schedule is so tough that I am not able to spare any time. I will have to ignore a small part of my responsibility, and after ignoring it, I will have to concentrate on your request. So what compensation you are going to give me for ignoring a part of my task and concentrating for a while on your task? What compensation you are going to give me for that? Okay, I will help you, I will support you, but that help and that support will be on the cost of my timings, will be on the cost of my schedule. So if I am giving you my precious time, ignoring my official activity and concentrating on your task because you are my friend, you are known to me, what compensation are you going to me? Are you going to give me for this? Ladies and gentlemen, persuasion in modern times, I must say, it entirely depends upon the burden of task that you are having on your shoulders. If that burden is less, you are free to help other people. If that burden is more, you will never be in condition to help other people, even if you want to help them. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, considering this reality of modern corporate world, I must say this thing again. You can persuade a person only if that person is looking for his own personal benefit in your proposal. You can convince other person to follow a particular kind of path only if that person is looking for his own benefit in your proposal. If the person is not looking for his own personal benefit in your proposal, he is not going to help you. This is sure, according to modern job environment, according to modern corporate environment, and this is the entire reality of persuasion, ladies and gentlemen. So friends, that's all for today. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.